Introducing Quantridge, an integrated platform that improves the profitability of precision manufacturing by providing data-driven insights into factors that impact facility performance. Semiconductor and micromanufacturing facilities are complex operations, vulnerable to hundreds of vibration, acoustic noise, and magnetic field sources that can bring down production quality and output. For instance, if a pump starts to fail, it will often go unnoticed and only be apparent when a tool experiences a vibration problem. Without Quantridge, the source of the anomalies is unknown. The Quantridge platform employs an array of sensors, called a sensor fabric, across your facility on the sources that can degrade production. In addition, it uses measurement quality sensors and monitoring equipment at the tools most critical to your operations. Because these units communicate with each other, it makes it very easy to correlate sources of disturbance before they become problems. So imagine we look at the scenario from before, where a pump goes out of balance and begins to vibrate excessively and is causing a problem at the tool location. With the Quantridge system, this vibration is quickly identified by the sensor fabric and it's correlated with excess vibration at the tool console. This generates both on-screen alerts for the operator and text message notifications to key stakeholders responsible for the facility. This alert doesn't just say there's a problem at the console, but it shows you where specifically in the sensor fabric this problem is correlated to. This allows you to take decisive action quickly, limiting the impact on production and preventing the waste of time and resources searching blindly. Quantridge, the proactive monitoring platform for next-generation facilities.